Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Google reviews to Squarespace website. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply go to elfsite.com, and now from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the widgets over here on the top and just simply go for Google reviews over here. And after that, just simply click on create widget for free, and now just simply select a template that you prefer. So when you click on it, you should be able to see how it goes. And now let's say I'm gonna go for this one, and now just simply scroll down and click on continue with this template. And after that, just simply click on add to website for free. And after that, you can continue with Google, Facebook, or email. So I'm gonna go for my Google account. And now once you are signed in guys, as you can see, you should be able to see here publish at the top right. And now from here, I'm just gonna go for the free one over here. And after that, guys, you can just simply click on copy code. Now from here, guys, just simply select where you are gonna put it. And after that, just simply select location and go for add block over here on the left side. And just simply go for the code over here. And after that, just simply double click this one, this blue box, and just simply erase this one. And after that, just simply paste the code over here. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here your embedded script, and you can just simply click on preview in safe mode. And as you can see, we should be able to have our Google review. And guys, since I don't have a premium account, it is very limited on my side. But remember, you have to avail the premium of Squarespace in order for you to access this feature. So guys, once you are done, you can just simply click on save, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.